Hello students, so today we are going to do PYQ April 2023 JEE Main Redox Reaction questions. So let's start from the April sheet. Question number 1. Which of the following options are correct? Right. So we can see the reaction is there. तो redox के लिए पहले उसके oxidation number निकाल लेते हैं. So zinc is 0. It is converting here is x. This is -1. So x minus 4 is equal to -2. So x equal to 2. Plus 2 आ गया. And this side, this is x minus 1. So x minus 2 equal to -1. So x equal to plus 1 आ गया. Okay. So basically this gold is changing its number +1 to 0, which is the reduction. And zinc is changing number from 0 to +2. So this is oxidation. Okay. So the redox reaction, the first option is right. And it's a displacement also because zinc is displacing gold from its solution. So A and B should be right. Decomposition is not right. It's a displacement. Combination is also not right. It's a displacement. So this is your first option. This is second option. This is third one. And that is fourth one. So our answer should be A and B only. This should be the answer. So let's move to the second question. During the reaction of permanganate ion, permanganate means MnO4 minus, with thiosulfate means S2O3 minus 2. The changes oxidation of manganese occur by value of 3. Okay. It means the MnO4 minus is changing its number. Here it is +7 and these change electron is 3. So here it should be 4 then, because 7 minus 4 is 3 only. So identify which of the following medium will favor the reaction. So in acidic medium, we know that it's a 5 electron transfer. Aqueous neutral or the aqueous that is alkaline solution. I'm just modifying the option alkaline solution. First option, second option, third option, and this is fourth one. So alkaline solution definitely is a 3 electron. Both aqueous acidic, no acidic is not there. Aqueous acidic is not there. So your answer should be 2 only. In alkaline medium, it should be the 3 electron transfer. In acidic medium, 5 electron transfer. And in basic medium, 1 electron transfer. Your answer should be 2. Move to the number 3 now. The volume of 0.02 m aqueous HBr required to neutralize 10 ml this much of molarity of barium hydroxide for complete neutralization. So redox is teaching us equivalent of acid would be is equal to equivalent of base. These equivalent is nothing but the equivalent moles. So HBr would be is equal to barium hydroxide. So molarity into volume into n factor. Molarity into volume into n factor of the base. So here molarity is given 0.02. Volume is missing. N factor of HBr is 1 because 1 hydrogen is out. And here the 10 ml. Okay, volume is 10. Molarity is given 0.01. This is the molarity. And N factor 2OH is out, so 2. So volume you will get it here 10 into 0.01 into 2 divide by 0.02. So this to definitely cancel and decimal is getting cancelled, 2 se 2 cancel and answer would be 10. So the 10 ml should be the right answer. This is first option, second option, third option, and this is fourth option. Your answer should be 10 ml. Okay. Now we will go with this. Okay. So this is first option, this is second one, this is third, and this is fourth. We have two methods to solve this question. Either you can apply the oxidation method or just a hit and trial also you can go. Options are there, so we can apply the options here. Iodine we have 2 here, and this side is 6 2s are 12 iodine. Okay, so this iodine we needed, directly answer is 10. Okay, next question we have, in alkaline medium, the reduction of permanganate anion involved in the gain of. Okay, it's an alkaline medium. So MnO4 minus, it's convert into the Mn plus 4. So in alkaline medium, it should be plus 7 to plus 4 means 3 electron transfer only. So your answer should be 3 electrons. In acidic medium 5 and basic medium 1. This question, KMnO4 is titrated with ferrous ammonium sulfate hexadentate. Basically it's a Mohr salt. So MnO4 minus, when you are treating with the ferrous ammonium sulfate, this is ammonium sulfate, and hexadentate means 6 of H2O. So in diluted H2SO4, so in acidic medium it is happening, it will convert into Mn plus 2 plus 7 to plus 2, and the ferrous will convert into the ferric. So let's balance this equation first, then we can identify how many moles of water is actually involving. The ferrous plus 2 is converted into the Mn plus 2 and the ferric. The 6 of water is initially is present into this. After that, how much water is coming, that also we have to calculate in acidic medium. So from here to here 5 electron transfer, and from here to here 1 electron transfer. So let's apply the oxidation method. So we get it. Here is 1 and here is 5. So let me use it MnO4 minus. 4 of oxygen is involving in acidic medium. So I'll write 4 of H2O. And this will give us the 8 of H plus. So technically the 4 H2O is coming extra apart from this 6. Since they talk about the 2 gram molecule means 2 moles. So entire equation I am multiplying by 2. So this is 2 moles, this is 2, this is 2 and this is 2 and this is also 2. So basically twice of MnO4 minus is giving us the 4 to the 8 of water extra. And the 6 of molecule water is already there. So it's become 6 to 6 is already there, and this is also multiplied by the 5 to the 10. Okay. So we had a 6 of molecule of water here and 5 to the 10 also we are using. So the total is become 60 and this is 8. So total answer is become 68 moles of water can be out during this reaction. So that's answer 68. Okay, we have a next question now. 20 ml calcium hydroxide consumed when it was reacted with the 10 ml of unknown strength solution of H2SO4. Okay. Also 20 ml standard solution of the HCl containing 2 drops of phenolphthalein was titrated with calcium hydroxide. The mixture show pink color when the burette display the value 35.5 and show the 25.5 ml initially. Means that only the 10 ml calcium hydroxide being used, so concentrated of the H2SO4. Okay. So basically what is happening, calcium hydroxide versus H2SO4 first titration they are doing, and the second one calcium hydroxide versus HCl, and asking how much ml has been used. So 20 ml calcium, I can use the equivalent moles of calcium hydroxide would be is equal to equivalent moles of H2SO4. M1V1 N factor is equal to M2V2 N factor. So that should be 20 ml calcium hydroxide consumed reacted with the 10 ml, okay, unknown strength N factor 2, and it should be the equivalent of calcium hydroxide. I'll write because the same thing I'm going to use here. Equivalent of calcium hydroxide would be is equal to equivalent of HCl, and equivalent of HCl is given 0. Molarity is 0.5, volume is 10, and N factor is 1. So this has become 5. So I can put the value, this is 5. M2 into 10 into 2. Okay, so 5 2s are 10. So M2 should be is equal to 1 by 4, and that's become 0.25. The next question we have, see the following chemical reactions, sum of the X, Y and Z will be. So we have to change the number here. The chromium, basically we have to balance it, X plus and 6 of Fe plus 2, giving us some chromium, Y value, this is the X value, 6 of iron plus some Z of water. Okay, that we will write water. Okay, check the number. There is a plus 6 to plus 3 change. Means 3 electron into 2 is become 6 electron. So plus 2 to plus 3, 1 electron. Okay, if we are using the oxidation method, the 1 is here and 6 is here, which is already written. Chromium is twice, so this should be twice. Now in acidic medium, because H plus is given, it should get balanced in the end. So 7 of oxygen, 7 of oxygen, and that should be 14 of H plus. So we have X plus Y plus Z. X is become 14, Y is become this one, it's 2, and the Z is this, Z is 7. So total is become how much? 23. That should be the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. The total change in the oxidation state of manganese involved in the reaction of KMnO4 and the potassium iodide in acidic medium. Okay, KMnO4 means permanganate ion, and they already given in the acidic medium. No matter they are talking about the potassium iodide or any other substance in acidic medium, Mn is always changing number from plus 7 to plus 2, means 5 electrons, and that's the answer. So these are the all questions which came in 2023 April shift. I hope it is useful. For more such type of video, like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you want to know any particular answer for any question. Thank you. Bye bye.